Get out of the car now! You, get over there! Show me your hands!
On February 4th in Florida, a heated fight between two men erupts in a parking lot. Before deputies can arrive, both men vanish. Then one of them calls 911, claiming the other opened fire, unloading 5 shots at his car during a high-speed chase. Deputies track them down fast. Here's what happens next.
It's the phone! It's the phone! 214, felony stop in progress. All right, you stand over there, all right? You face away from me.
He hit my car.
All right, cool. Stand right there.
You bitch ass pussy. You a pussy.
214, I got one at gunpoint. They're both verbal right now. The other party's across the street. Yo, you face away from me. Put your hands up. You shut up.
Delta 213, status check.
Who has the gun?
I don't.
214 is not US1 Thompson Parkway.
US1 PV grade. I got one at gunpoint, Bravo Mike with a white shirt. The other half's across the street, black male dreads. Stay across the street! Bro, get off the air. Give me the air. 212. Secure that black male over there. Put your hands up! Secure him! Yo, walk back to the sound of my voice. Do it now. Walk back to the sound of my voice. Walk back to the sound of my voice. Keep your hands up. Go less lethal. Keep walking to the left. 2 steps to the left. Keep walking. I got hands, all right? Keep walking. Keep walking.
Keep your hands up.
You're gonna get tased, bro. Keep walking.
Don't worry about him. Listen to us. Nah, you up. Nah, come do it now. Come do it now. Come do it now. You don't have to fight me.
Put your hands behind
I told you that was my phone. I'm not fighting him. I'm not fighting him. Nobody's in the car. None to the front seat. Nobody's in the car. I'm right by myself. Come on. Oh, you got louder when you put cuffs on me. You got louder when you put cuffs on me. You got louder when you put cuffs on me. You's a straight up bitch. You's a straight up bitch. You.
214 flag. I got one secured. 212 working up any other belt. Who else is in the car?
Nobody in the car. Just me.
Alright. Any weapons in the vehicle?
Yes, I have 2 weapons in the car.
Alright, what kind of guns are they?
One's a Smith Wesson 500. The other one's a Glock 40.
Alright.
A Glock 10 40. Glock 10.
214 flag. He's advising no one else is in the vehicle. He has 2 weapons inside there. Alright, we're gonna get you in the back of my car real quick, okay?
Can I get cuffed in the front?
No.
Okay.
No.
I'm not aggressive. I haven't been fighting. I've been doing exactly what you asked me to do.
Alright, never mind. Stand right here.
You come break my arm.
Shut up and face the car.
You come break.
Shut up and face the car. Thank you. I need someone to put him in somebody's car.
17 flag. We got multiple units coming. Can we have someone stop the northbound traffic?
Get in.
Yes, sir.
Closest unit, get to stop northbound traffic, US1.
Alright, so she just read you your rights. You understood them as she read them to you and stuff. Alright, so what is going on?
Alright. So my wife, who I'm legally married to, she left me about 5 months ago. Right? A couple of weeks ago, she called me, and I had the text message on the phone. A couple of weeks ago, she called me, said everything was going to be good between us. We're going to get back together. She was going to move in with me at the end of the month, move back to our house at the end of the month in South Carolina. All right, and that was the end of January. So then, in January come, well, actually, maybe like a week before the end of the month, she just stopped talking. No text, no messages, nothing.
Okay.
So I waited, and then today I was like, well, I haven't heard nothing from her, so I'm going to see make sure everything's okay.
Okay.
So I get there.
Where, at the house?
I went to her house.
Which house? Where is it?
Oh.
I'm gonna write that down. That's cool. Okay, you get to the house.
So I get there, I see a car parked in the driveway, which I'm assuming it was his, only because, from my understanding, she didn't have a vehicle.
Okay.
So then I didn't go to the car, I turned around. I left.
Right.
He pulled up behind me at that light right before you turn left to go to the Dollar General. And he was talking.
Lakeview and Tennessee Woods. Yep.
He blocked me in, and then so I pulled into, because I was planning on going there to get me something to drink. So I pulled into there. He pulls in. He pulls his car around, and then he gets out, threatens me. I try to go inside. He confronts me, so I didn't get back in my car. So I was just like, look, I'm not gonna run from you. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
I didn't go to your house and do nothing.
Okay.
I didn't even say nothing to him. We didn't have a conversation. So anyway, so then we get into an altercation, and that's when he bit my ear.
It bit your ear?
Yeah. So then when I leave, he was like, well, he said, well, we can go, because somebody said, oh, well, we called the cops. And he was like, well, we can just go talk to Erica. I said, I bet. And so that means we're going back to your house. So he said, okay. So we drive to go back to his house. And then he started acting erratic. So I was like, man, fuck this. And then so I tried to leave, but he kept racing behind me.
Did y'all see my lights and stuff, or?
I didn't see you.
Okay.
And then so he was racing behind me. And then when we got up here, he hit the back of my car, which is when I opened fire. As you can see, the back of my car is struck.
Where did he hit it?
Right there on the end.
Well, left side, right side, back?
Right side.
Nah, he didn't have it in his pockets.
It's in my jacket pocket. The corp. The inside.
Corp. Okay.
Yeah. So that's when I was fired. But yeah, he hit my car. My car stalled, so I had to pull over and then try to restart it. He pulled up beside me. I didn't know if he was going to do something to him. I didn't know.
Okay. So let's just back up a little bit. So when you got to Lewisshire, how did he know you were there?
So he was in the car in the driveway.
Okay, so he was in the driveway.
Yeah, he was in the car. I couldn't see inside the car.
Okay.
All I saw was the car.
Did he see you drive by, or did you get out of your car?
I didn't get out the car.
Okay, he just saw a random blue Lexus drive by.
Yeah, he didn't know it was me, because when I pulled up, that's right. When we got to that light before you turn on he got to the light. I rolled my window down, and then he was like, "Oh, it's you."
Okay.
So that's how he knew it was me. But he didn't. Before that, he didn't know it.
Okay. So after that, you guys got to Lakeview and Belterre or Matanzas Woods. He pulled up on you, saw it was you, then you went to the Dollar General?
Yeah, I didn't even get to go inside. He got out and he blocked my way.
He blocked you?
Yeah, so when he pulled up, I pulled up, and then he pulls up, and then so he's closer to the store.
Okay.
So I was kind of nervous about where I was going to park. But anyway, so I got out the car, I was going to go inside. He gets in front of me. So he's between me and the entrance.
Okay. So at that point, what happened?
So at that point, it was fight or flight.
Okay. Who approached you?
He approached me.
How did he do that?
With his hands up.
He approached you with his hands up?
Frustrated. Yeah. Bitch ass. This, that, and that. Come on. You came to my house, blah, blah, blah.
That's his house?
I don't know.
When he approached you, did he sprint? Was he walking?
He sprinted. Nah, he wasn't walking.
He full sprinted towards you?
Yeah. He was aggressive.
With his hands up?
With his guard up.
Okay, with his pistol.
Yeah.
Okay. And then what?
Oh, and then I engaged. There was, I don't know, I could have turned around and get in my car, but I was kind of leery that he'd do something to my car if I did that.
Okay. So
and then I didn't know if he was going to get in his car and pull out a gun, so I just, the safest thing for me at that point was to make sure he stayed out of his vehicle, and if we engaged, that's fine, but then, so every time we engaged, and broke up, I would try to leave, then he would start back up.
Alright, and then what happened after that? You guys left, right?
Yeah, we left. He said, let's go talk to Erica, because I told him, he's saying that, because somebody yelled and said, we calling the cops, and he was like, well, let me tell you what happened. Let me tell y'all what happened. He came here to see my wife. And I was like, first of all, she's married to me. She's legally married to me. We're not divorced. We never talked about it. Had I known he was there, there's no way I would have came, because I knew this would happen.
So I saw you guys speeding down that residential area. What was going on with that?
We was going back to his house.
Okay.
That was just after the Dollar General.
So how do we get on US 1?
I got 29. I'm not from here, so I don't even know where's US 1.
This is US 1?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got you.
Okay. So then you guys turned down the roundabout. What happened then after that?
When we turned about, that's when he hit my car.
He crashed into you at the roundabout?
Yeah. No, he crashed into me on this straight, right down there. And I pulled over my car, because it made my car stop. I couldn't drive it. So I just pulled over, shut it off, and shut it back on. And then he ran back up on me because after he did that, he turned around and went that way. But then, I guess when he seen my car moving again, he came back, and that's when I was fighting.
Okay. Well, where was he when you opened fire on him?
Right next to me, like in the lane, like right next to me.
Okay. What was he doing then? Did you see him?
He rolled his window.
Okay.
I wasn't about to see him.
Okay. Did he didn't point anything at you, or?
I thought maybe I saw a gun, but I don't know. Like he could have been pointing. It looked like he pointed something. I don't know. But I wasn't trying to figure out or wait for it. After he hit my car, I assumed he was going to do something else.
Okay. After you shot, what happened?
After I shot, and he left.
Okay. And then we got here, right?
Yes, sir.
Which firearm did you shoot?
The 500.
All right. That's still in the car, right? We're in the car.
Both of them in the front seat.
Okay. Oh, we're gonna let the medics talk to you real quick.
When you guys left the Dollar General, you said you were going back to talk to Erica?
Yes, ma'am.
Was that the house you guys were at?
Yes, ma'am.
What address is that? And you knew how to get back there from the Dollar General or no?
No.
So you were just following him back to the house?
Well, I thought I knew how to get back.
Okay.
He was following me.
Okay.
But then, like, he started driving. I don't know. So then I got.
He started. Well, I don't know.
Yeah, he started driving kind of erratic, like
behind you.
Yeah.
How so? Can you describe that for me?
Like, so he pulled up like he was gonna hit me, so I moved. And so then I was like, you know what?
Were you stopping? Were you pulling over?
No, I was just driving.
Okay.
And then so after that, after a few times of that, I just like, you know, I'm not going over there because I think it's gonna be a setup.
Okay, so you continued on past to try to get away?
Right.
Okay.
But I didn't know.
And is that why you didn't stop at the house? You just kept going?
Right. Well, I didn't know where the house was first of all. Like, I thought I remember how they got there without looking at GPS, but I didn't. But it didn't matter because I was just like, I'm out.
How many times did you fire off rounds? How many rounds?
Twice.
Did he threaten you in any way?
Yeah, he threatened me at the store and he threatened me in the
How did he
car.
threaten you?
He was like, this is what we're gonna do. I'm not done with you. I'm gonna get your ass, bitch ass nigga.
That's all I was just curious about.
And then, like I said, I didn't shoot at him until he hit my car.
All right, we'll keep talking and stuff. If you don't, we got to figure out like a big crime scene going on. So do you want to sit in the car for now, just for a few minutes until we figure out what's going on? It's your car. Okay. Face that way, please. You have what? What's it called? Neuropathy? What is that?
Neuropathy.
What is that?
It's a nerve damage.
Oh, how'd you get that?
Military, army, medical.
Oh, Army?
Yes, sir.
How long did you serve for?
3 years.
Thanks for your service, man.
Victor was charged with 1 misdemeanor count of battery and 4 felony counts of discharging a firearm from a vehicle aggravated assault with a deadly weapon shooting into an occupied vehicle, and the use of a firearm during a felony. His bond was set for. Thanks for watching. If you like videos like this, please like and subscribe.